Hey everyone, it's MKBHD, and today we're diving into AI-powered video creation with Rask AI. This platform breaks down language barriers, making your content global. Imagine dubbing your videos into multiple languages effortlessly. Picture adding subtitles with just a few clicks. That's the magic of Rask AI. Whether you're a business, content creator, or educator, Rask AI has something for you. It simplifies multilingual video creation. Unlock a world of possibilities with Rask AI. Let's get started. Before you jump into creating, it's important to understand who you're trying to reach. Who is your target audience? Are you speaking to businesses looking to expand internationally? Identifying your audience will help you tailor your video's message and choose the right languages for dubbing and subtitling. Next up, let's talk about your video's blueprint, the script. Having a clear and concise script is crucial for any video, especially with multiple languages. What kind of video are you envisioning? Maybe you'll opt for eye-catching animations to explain complex concepts. With your audience, script, and style figured out, you're ready to dive into the world of Rask AI. Rask AI greets you with a clean and user-friendly interface designed to make video creation a breeze. Think of it as your creative control center. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your projects, while the intuitive menu bar lets you easily navigate to different sections. Uploading your video is as simple as dragging and dropping it into the designated area. From there, you can choose the languages you want to translate your video into. Rask AI supports a wide range of languages, ensuring you can connect with audiences worldwide. Signing up for Rask AI is straightforward. You can create an account in minutes using your email address or existing social media accounts. Rask AI offers different subscription plans to fit your needs, from a free trial for testing the waters to more advanced plans with additional features and higher output quality. We'll dive deeper into pricing options later on. Section 4. Unleashing the power features in action. Now for the fun part, bringing your multilingual vision to life. Once you've uploaded your video and chosen your target languages, Rask AI's AI engine gets to work. It automatically transcribes your video, translates it into the selected languages, and generates high-quality voiceovers. But the magic doesn't stop there. Rask AI gives you full control over the final product with its text editing tools. You can fine-tune the translated subtitles and make adjustments to the voiceover script to ensure everything aligns perfectly with your brand voice and message. Rask AI understands that your content needs to reach your audience wherever they are. That's why it seamlessly integrates with popular platforms like YouTube, Zoom, and more. You can easily export your finished videos in various formats and resolutions, optimized for different social media channels and video hosting sites. Section 5. Rask AI in the real world, transforming content creation. Rask AI isn't just about fancy features, it's about real-world impact. Businesses are using Rask AI to break into new markets and connect with international clients like never before. Content creators are leveraging the power of multilingual video to grow their audiences and build global communities. Educators are making their lessons accessible to students from diverse linguistic backgrounds. But don't just take my word for it. Rask AI has garnered praise from users across various industries. Marketing agencies are raving about the time and cost savings, while independent filmmakers are celebrating the ability to reach a wider audience without breaking the bank. The ability to quickly and affordably produce high-quality multilingual videos is a game changer. Rask AI empowers creators of all levels to embrace the power of global communication and share their stories with the world. Section 6. Join the multilingual revolution. Take the next step. Ready to experience the future of video creation? Head over to Rask AI's website and start your free trial today. You'll have access to a range of features, allowing you to experiment and explore the platform's capabilities. Rask AI offers different subscription tiers to suit various needs and budgets. The free plan is perfect for trying out the basic features. As your needs grow, you can upgrade to a paid plan that unlocks additional languages, higher output quality, and priority support. Whether you're a seasoned video pro or just starting your content creation journey, Rask AI provides the tools and resources you need to captivate a global audience. Break down language barriers, amplify your message, and unlock a world of possibilities with Rask AI. The future of video creation is multilingual, and it's here today.